Howdy family, friends, faithful followers, Ceiling Fanatic and other things is back for more. And I decided to turn over a new blade. And literally. So I decided to do a little cleaning on the carriage house when the idea kinda dawned on me. I know a lot of you know already that I usually prefer the rosewood side of things, but I know that a lot of collectors also try to showcase the reverse side, so I just figured that since it's something I hadn't done yet, I figured since I had the time that's something I would do. I'll also be demonstrating it as well. And as of now, I will flip that reverse switch up there. So yeah, there will be a little more. While there won't be much commentary, there's going to be a little more. So stay tuned. And as always, like, subscribe, click the bell to stay notified, and remember, life is no limit, so do something new today. Alright, see ya.